Hi, my name is Atul Sharma, and I work as an executive president. First and foremost, the course has given me the purpose of my life. Promo coaching course is designed to support all learning styles, that is visual, auditory, kinesthetic, and digital. The content has been kept simple to understand, comprehend, and practice. The structure is designed by participants for participants to comfortably align to the pace of learning. Format of classes on Saturday and Sunday for a half a day was perfectly tailored format for me. Everyday opportunity to practice our learning and ask questions in the weekend classes. I got coached by many of my buddy coaches and I got solutions to my problems. Video recordings was a great support and a refresher. Course material was just about adequate for us to read and comprehend. Workbook and Life Changer cards, the digital version also, were very user friendly. Great and simple implementable tools were shared to facilitate the coaching sessions. Gromo team of Inder as a lead facilitator, Gorima as a great support, and all my fellow participants as a learning cohort is the best I could have ever asked for. Delivery of the sessions through Adobe Experience has been fantastic, where we can write questions, raise hand to ask questions, use stroke not use our camera, mute stroke unmute, work in smaller classrooms, visualize the content on the screen, and so on. All questions were being answered at an appropriate point of time with lots of examples. The course has helped me to be more reflective, respect sovereignty of thoughts of others, and trust that each one of us have the potential to find our own solutions, where coaching helps us to navigate that path without providing solutions. I've become more measured, more mature, understood the importance of let go to let come. I would rate my experience to be 10 on 10. What has shifted for me is that I developed a profound belief that people have unlimited potential and all they need is a bit of navigation through powerful questions and determination to discover a much deserving rich world for themselves. My greatest takeaway is that powerful questions can unearth the unlimited potential of people and make their world wholesome. Coaching for me is a meditation with open ears and eyes. Thank you, Romo, for this opportunity, and I can never forget this in my life. Thank you.